Hei, Cai dwi wedi cael her arall gan sianel YouTube 5 sy'n golygu teithio a chwrdd â vlogger yn un o'r dinasoedd gorau Ewrop. Y tro yma, dwi wedi dod i Sbaen, dyma 24 awr yn Madrid. Dod lawr i brif sgwâr yng nghanol Madrid, Puerta del Sol. Nawr, mae bron yn 12 o'r gloch yn y nos, a drwch ar y bobl yma i gyd. Mae gymaint yn digwydd yma. Mae Sbaen wedi colli erbyn Croatia heno, so ni'n disgwyl bod rhaid neb mas. Mae loads yn digwydd yma. Puerta. O west i'r Dormirdcine. Os chi'n dod i Madrid dros yr haf, mae rhaid i chi aros yma. Mae links yn y disgrifiad o dan y fideo. Mae yna thema, cinema a ffilm yn y gwesti yma sy'n really cool. Dwi ar y ffordd bore yma i gwrdd â YouTuber o'r enw Malu. Nawr mae Malu yn redeg sianel YouTube o'r enw Malu's Closet, lle mae'n sôn am ffasiwn a cholir a mae'n rili bod blogger yn Sbaen. Mae hefyd ar fi'n lawnsio sianel YouTube newydd yn sôn am deithio.
Nice to meet you and welcome to Madrid.
Cool, cool. So what's the plan?
Well, I think we should get a breakfast and then we're going to walk around Madrid and I will show you the best places.
Breakfast was lovely. Now I feel like I need to take some photos. It's really nice lighting now.
Yeah.
Can you take me to some of Madrid's most iconic buildings?
Yeah, of course. It's the presidency of Madrid community and here we celebrate New Year's Eve. This is the second main square from Madrid.
Okay.
Here is Philip II,
Yeah.
looking down on us.
But that is amazing.
So here we have another iconic building from Madrid, which is the cathedral, the Catholic cathedral, which is called Catedral de la Almudena. Behind us is the royal palace, and it's not where the monarchy lives, but we use it for state ceremonies.
Mae Malu ti'n mynd â fi lan. Fi'n teimlo fel 1000 o grisiau i weld rhywbeth arbennig. Malu, why have we walked up like 1,000 steps?
Why? Because of an Egyptian temple that is here in this park, and it's called Templo de Debod.
Nice.
Whoa, okay. So now
It's warm outside.
we're going to the shopping district.
Cool. Sa'n gwybod os chi'n cofio, ond yn y raglen diwetha pan nes i wlad yr ia, o'n i gyda gwmwydr ar y skidws na, nes i golli sbectol hal fi. Fi yn Madrid, mae'n boiling hot, a mae Malu yn mynd i helpu fi ffindio mwy o sbectol hal. Some sunglasses?
Yes.
Dyma'r darn o'r trip yma fi wedi bod yn edrych ymlaen at fwyaf. Bit of tapas.
Yeah, finally tapas.
Yeah!
Mussels from Spain, which is called mejillones en escabeche. You put it like this. Let's get started.
I've already started.
You have to try this if you come here. Viejita. And salud. and now we are going to take some bikes to ride them and visit the Retiro,
Nice.
which is a park that is compared to the Central Park in New York.
Malu, thank you for bringing me to this cool park. El Retiro?
El Retiro.
El
Yes.
Retiro. Malu's Closet is the fashion and makeup channel you're most famous for. But
Yeah.
you've just launched a travel YouTube channel as well.
Yeah, it's called Pasaporte al Mundo, which in English is passport to the world.
Pasaporte al Mundo.
Yes, and it's in Spanish.
Cool.
And I invite everyone that wants to speak Spanish or learn some Spanish to my channel. As I have so much experience traveling, I think that it would be great to share with more people and just make a great community.
Os chi'n dod I Madrid, mae really angen chi dod yma a gael beic. A just reid around am cwpl o oriau. Hi! Hello! There's one more thing before I go, before I leave to head back to Wales, that I need to get, and that's a photo of the skyline of Madrid. Could you take me to somewhere in the city centre?
Yeah, sure. I know where exactly to take you.
Muchas gracias, Malu. Thank you very much for the last 24 hours. I've taken some really nice photos and enjoyed myself in a beautiful city with this beautiful weather.
Yeah, you're welcome. Croeso. It's right?
Croeso,
okay.
yeah.
So we have to film at 24 hours in Cardiff.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah.
Unfortunately, I've got to catch a flight back to Wales now, but again, thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. Muchas gracias.
Croeso.
Am fwy o fanylion ynglyn â lleusi, cliciwch ar y links o dan y fideo. Cofiwch hefyd I danysgrifio ein channel YouTube, dilynwch ni ar Twitter, a hoffwch ein tudalen Facebook.